Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm Corrine. I'm a holistic nutritionist and I'm trying to get you into the kitchen cooking. So today, thanks for joining me. I'm gonna be making some oatmeal peanut butter chocolate chip banana cookies. I know it's a mouthful, but they're delicious. They have great whole oatmeal grains, gluten-free, peanut butter, some great fat, bananas, and of course some chocolate chips and other stuff. If you joined me last week, you saw that I used some overripe apples for some apple muffins. So this week we're doing similar things. So food waste is huge. It's high on the top of my list. So bananas, you have bananas, you get a bunch, you don't eat them all. So what do you do with those? I make cookies. A lot of people make banana bread, but I prefer cookies. So I've got 3 overripe bananas in this bowl, and I'm just gonna mash them. They're gonna be really, really easy to mash because they are super soft, but they've been in the fridge for a while, so they're not completely overly alcohol-y. There's not so much sugar alcohol that's come out of them, like they haven't fermented at all. I have here Trader Joe's, this is their flax chia peanut butter. It's one of my favorite, and I was down in the US a little while ago and I picked up a jar of this. So that is going in there. That's about 3/4 of a cup. Whenever I make cookies like this, I don't, honestly, not really of a recipe maker. I just kind of go by look, which I know is bad for you guys because it's hard to judge what that is, but we're gonna put that in there. We're gonna mix this up. I'm actually gonna add a little bit more chia as well because I do like chia on my cookies. It's a great source of omegas, which we don't get enough of, especially plant ones, and I find they kind of bind the batter a little bit better too. All right, so we're all mixed up in there. Now what I'm gonna do is add my oats. So here I have a cup, and I'm gonna say 1.5 cups probably of oats. Again, because I'm eyeballing this, I want to kind of go by eye and feel and texture. And as you guys cook more and you bake more and you know what you like in your textures of cookies, you're gonna be able to tell like what you do and don't like. This does need a little bit more. So it's gonna be 2 cups, maybe 2.25 cups of oats. And these are gluten-free, certified organic oats. Oats are one of those things that can get really cross-contaminated. So, and especially if you're watching your gluten, you definitely want to make sure that it is a gluten-free, certified gluten-free. So that means that it's not cross-contaminated in a factory that makes wheat. Okay, good. I'm gonna put a sprinkle of cinnamon because I always like some cinnamon in there. It's a good kind of tablespoon, I think, of cinnamon. And then whatever chocolate chips you kind of have on hand. I have these carob chips here on hand from something that I made before. You can also do a bar of chocolate, your favorite chocolate. You could do that as well. So I've got that, and we're gonna mix that all together. So this is a little bit hard to mix, like it's stiff. So that's kind of what you're looking for. It's like a nice stiff batter. Because the bananas were cold, I'm not gonna chill this. Sometimes I do chill my batter, but right now I'm not going to. All right, so let's scoop this up. So take a little taste of your batter. Make sure that it's the right sweetness that you want it. The bananas and the carob chips, so the chocolate chips, are going to add some sweetness. If it's not to your sweetness liking, what you can do is just add a touch of maple syrup just to kind of sweeten that up, but these are perfect. I use the ice cream scoop for measurements to make sure that all of my cookies will bake at the same time. These, if you want bigger cookies, you can always do a double scoop, but these I'm just filling just over, so I'm not flattening them. They're just a little bit fuller than the actual scoop. So we're just gonna scoop these out. So these go into a preheated 350-degree oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. Bye guys. Okay, so 15 minutes are up. These are they're awesome actually. They smell so good. I wish you guys could smell them. They're really firm right now. They're actually firmer cookies than you would think. So what I'm gonna do is take them off of here, put them on a cooling rack, and just let them cool down, and then they should be great to go. So guys, hey, I hope you enjoyed the video this week. I hope you get into the kitchen and start making something that you're gonna enjoy. Be in control of your kitchen, and then it won't be so scary. So eat well, work hard, and seize wellness. I'll see you next week.